am starting off today with a 32-ounce plump from the Steel Magnolia. I am taking some Dixie Belle paint in the color Blueberry and covering the whole cup as a base. Once your paint is all dry, we're going to take a couple milliliters of epoxy and spread that on super thin for the epoxy method to apply our glitter. I will be using the glitter color called Frozen, which is a really soft, pretty, light, dusty blue from Diamonds and Dust. Once that epoxy has cured for a few hours, we're going to add epoxy until our cup is smooth. I cut 2 strips of the dark blue snowflake pattern in 2.5-inch strips, and we're going to apply that to the top and bottom of our cup. I cut 2 strips of the light blue snowflake pattern in 1/2 inch, and we are just going to place that right below the dark blue snowflake pattern, leaving some glitter exposed in between. I found this textured silver contact paper stuff on Amazon. I will link it in the description below, but I just cut some really thin strips of that out, and we're going to place that on top and bottom of all of the vinyl that we placed down earlier. Once that layer is all cured, we're just going to take a tiny bit of epoxy right in the center on that blue glitter color, and we're going to add some glitter called Icicles from Diamonds and Dust, and we're just going to sprinkle that in kind of a circular pattern. I'm kind of going for like a frosted look. I will show you more on that later on in the tutorial. We are going to add another coat of epoxy on this and make sure it's cured before you move on to the next step. I bought 4 of these icicle molds on Amazon, and we will be needing all 4 of them, so make sure that you have them all ready to go. We're going to take some icicles and some white diamonds and a little bit of bubbles. All glitter is from Diamonds and Dust on Etsy. And then we're going to fill these molds and let them cure a little while until we add them to our cup. set your molds to the side to let them cure for a little while, and we're going to move back onto our cup. I'm adding this really cute baby It's Cold Outside right there in the center, and then we're going to mix up some polyacrylic and a little bit of luster dust pure. If you guys don't have the pure luster dust yet, you are missing out. It's like a really sparkly mica powder, and we're just going to mix that in and then dab a little bit on top. Once I got my first layer of the luster dust polyacrylic mixture on, I realized it wasn't going to be crisp or bright enough, so I did take some spray paint and just give it a couple bursts right there on top of the decal. I just did not record myself doing so, and then after that was dry, I went right back over the top with luster dust, just dabbing it on with that makeup sponge. Now go ahead and remove the decal, and you will be exposing that super cute frosted look we were going for. Now we are going back to our molds to check them. We want them cured, but not cured all the way. We want them bendy. So if they are not bendy, we've let them cure too much and we have to re-pour. But we're just going to take them out while they're still bendy and place them at the top of our cup and hot glue them into place. I ended up only needing 3 to go around my tumbler, but the third one is a little long, but it's not a problem since the epoxy is still soft. I can just cut it with some scissors to fit, and then we're going to glue our final piece down. It's now time for the final layer of epoxy. I went in and added epoxy really well to the cup and the icicles, and then went back in with a silicone brush in between all of the icicles to help prevent from pooling. And here is our tumbler all finished. I think this one is just so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you would like any more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description, and look for me under Diamonds and Dust on all other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, guys.